Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. I am so grateful. If today's the first day you are seeing my eyes and my face for the first time, this is Agatha Progress channel, and I come across your way every blessed day. Thank you very much to you that always share my video, like, and comment. I am grateful. I so much appreciate you all. God richly bless you. All right, let's go move into the reason why we are here today. Hope you do enjoy the video. Now, watch it. Let's go.
Hey, my wonderful people, as you can see, these are hungry people. They are people that call themselves Biafra. They are IPOP members that later backslided to go and join the zoo government. As you can see, these are some Biafra members. They said they are agitating against our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So they went to British Embassy in Abuja. As you can see, when they got here, they present the envelope to them, and they said, oh, they are in need of anybody to talk to them, that they are peaceful people. They are in need of anybody to talk to them. So when these people came to British Embassy, they said they need one or two persons to talk to, that they want to drop a petition against our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And everybody is like, shoo, what is going on? Then they were able to get a security agent to drop the envelope for one of the top man there. So the response they gave to them was that, but the only leader that they knew is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is when you will know that the world recognize our leader. He said the only leader they know is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is the leader of IPOP. And they said no. One of them came out and said he is the leader of IPOP in diaspora and in Nigeria. I said, for real? So the man has been living in UK. Why must he go back again to Nigeria to go and fight our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? You can see what is written on their placards. Take a very good view of it. These people, they are hungry youths, hungry zoo youths. They just use them to set our leader up, but we know their plans and we got their plot. We know everything they have already decided. Can you imagine? A man that stood in the front row, a man that rendered his life, his family, his parents' life for your sake. This is the way you want to pay him back? But I want to use this video to encourage every one of you as IPOP member. When you see this type of video, never you fight. Never you be discouraged. Never you think that it is over, because it is not over until you said it is over. This type of video should make us so strong. This type of video should encourage you. This type of video should give you the strength that you never got. So some IPOP member, when we see this type of video, we feel so discouraged. No. You can see that when they got there to British Embassy, nobody talked to them. They stood there and they were talking. This is the particular man that led the march. He was the one that led the march to British Embassy. I don't know what he's thinking. Did he really think that British is like zoo? Did he think that British is like zoo, that you can just go there and talk anyhow? I begin to imagine. You that was living in British with our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you left Nigeria, you left British and come back to Nigeria, or you left the UK to say, and you came back to Nigeria. Can you imagine the foolishness? That I mean by saying backwardness. That is backwardness from the highest order, because you can't be in Onitsha and you are fighting with somebody that lives in Asaba, and you are going back again to Maiduguri. You went to stay in Maiduguri and said, oh, I am not in Maiduguri, I will fight you from Maiduguri. Does that make sense? You live in the same country with this person, you live in UK with this person, you flew back to Nigeria to mobilize people, to collect some money, and you came out to say you are doing what? What nonsense? Can you imagine? look at him. He's just an hungry human being. He said he's the leader of IPOB, but nobody knows him. I don't know him. Nobody knows him. I don't think so. So I begin to imagine, what is this nonsense? For what he says so far, he's just one of the men that need money from our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, he needs some money. His name is Chukwuwa Dike. That is his name. I think that he needs some money, because if he don't need some money, some of the reports that he gives, they are irrelevant. Reports like some time ago, our leader Mazi Kanu said they should boycott election. And when they boycott election, they never see our leader anymore. Is that enough reasons? So I take him to be a joker. I think that this man is thinking that Nigeria is like UK, or UK is like Nigeria, where he can bribe his way through and talk to somebody and just report an issue, and the police will just rush to go and handle the case. My friend, you dream wrong. Do you think that the world the world does not recognize what is going on, or the world did not know what is happening? Are you the first person that want to go and tell them what happened in the zoology? They are aware of everything. If they are not aware, have you asked yourself question, how come our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was able to leave Nigeria, was able to beat all their targets, was able to beat all their enemies' plan? That was what you're supposed to think. He's not just an ordinary man. So some members of IPOB, when they see this type of video, they begin to get angry. They begin to get angry. But this is no time for you to be angry. This type of video should give you strength. This type of video should give you grace. This type of video should make you to understand that of a truth, what you are doing is right. If you are doing something and no one is fighting against you, if you are doing something and you don't got any obstacle, if you are doing something and the thing is just going so smoothly, my friend, check at something. But when the thing is so just and people rose up their ugly heads from different areas to fight, you know that you are in your right path. So what our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is doing is just in his right path. That is why you see all this rubbish coming up. So Mr. Man, you have not finished crying. You will cry more than what you are crying now, because your time is ripe. These are the people that are against Inside Security Network. These are the same people that are against us. I made a video where I said that they are not looking for our youths to use against us. These are the youth they use these days. They use these people against us, of which is very bad. They use them to fight us. To me, I so much believe in this movement of Biafra. These people that are shouting one Nigeria, these people that went to UK embassy and start fighting, what has Nigeria offered him? As he is, he has not even gained anything from Nigeria. The only opportunity he got is to come out and collect some money. So my fellow Biafra, don't be discouraged. We are winning this battle. We are winning this fight. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, any day, anytime.
My word. That is all about this video. Hope you do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like this video and share this video. Your opinion is highly needed in the comment section. And if you are passing across this video for the first time, you are passing across this channel for the first time, and you haven't subscribed, you haven't joined this family, what are you then waiting for? Please do it to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you again in my next post shortly. I see you when I see you. Peace out.